This might ruin cafe coffee for you. This is the new De'Longhi Eletta Ultra, and it's basically like having your favorite cafe permanently installed in your kitchen, but way quieter. With over 50 customizable drinks, it can make everything from espresso and filter coffee to cold brew and silky milk-based favorites. And here's where it gets clever. It remembers how you like your coffee, with multiple user profiles and personalized coffee routines. So whether you're a double shot before 9 a.m. person or an iced latte at 3 p.m. person, it gets you. The included latte creamer hot and cool system automatically texturizes milk into both hot microfoam and pillowy cold foam, so your flat whites, cappuccinos, and iced coffees get all the VIP treatment. It even automatically calibrates the grind and brew settings, taking the guesswork out of making consistently great coffee. And unlike some coffee machines that sound like they're preparing for takeoff, the Eletta Ultra uses new silent technology, brewing up to 65% quieter than previous models. The 4.3-inch touchscreen makes everything simple too. Pick a drink, customize it, and let the machine do the hard work. And when you're done, automatic cleaning cycles and dishwasher-safe parts make maintenance surprisingly painless. If your coffee order is getting more specific by the day, the De'Longhi Eletta Ultra might just be your new favorite appliance. Check it out now at JB Hi-Fi.